I get my music from the street. As I most time, it's not because most time I try to walk stardom with the street. Yeah. Little patience. Yeah. But when I was in Nigeria, when I drive my car, I see the children carrying orange, selling. Yeah. Majek, Majek. What's up, Majek? You know what I'm saying? I'll give some money, you know what I'm saying? Little patience.
Okay.
Yeah, little patience, yeah. To write his songs, good songs, you don't rush it. It takes time to write a good song. But I sent down the rain, took me years. Yeah. God gave it to me, you know what I'm saying, like that. So, little patience. I wrote that song in Nigeria.
It's wide and open. If you are faith, you can move mountain. If you are faith, you can move mountain on your knee. It's a little patience.